and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng pinagong or Monay and also known as Putok. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step dito sa ating 500 grams na strong white bread flour, inad ko na yung 3/4 cups ng powdered skim milk at hahaluin lang natin ito. Then maglagay lang tayo ng well sa gitna. Then i-add ko na itong 2 packets na 7 grams each ng fast-acting yeast or 1.5 tablespoon ng yeast. Kung ang yeast nyo ay hindi fast-acting, i-bloom nyo muna ito sa warm milk with sugar. Then, pwede na nating i-add sa kabilang side yung 1.5 teaspoon ng salt, itong 5 tablespoon ng sugar, itong 2 tablespoon ng butter, itong 3/4 cup ng evaporated milk or 175 ml, 4 to 6 tablespoon ng warm water, at itong 2 eggs. Then, haluin lang natin ito. And then, with your clean hands, pwede na natin itong haluin. Kailangan mag-bind muna yung ating flour. Ayan, nag-bind na siya. Pwede na tayong mag-knead. Mag-dust lang tayo ng konting flour dito sa ating clean worktop at ininid na natin ito by hand. Ang pag-knead ay kailangan ipinupush nyo away from you using your palm. At ininid natin to for about 15 minutes hanggang maging smooth and elastic na yung ating dough. So, para i-check, tignan lang natin, kuha tayo ng maliit. Pagka ganitong nagbe-break pa yung dough, hindi pa to ready. So, mag-knead pa tayo for 2 minutes. Yan. After 2 minutes ng pag-knead, i-check uli natin yung ating dough. Kuha uli tayo. And then, hihilahin natin. Pag ganitong hindi na nag-break, pwede na ito. And then, ifo-form lang natin itong dough into a bowl. At ita-transfer natin ito sa isang bowl na may oil. Facing down. And then, iikot nyo pataas. Yung oil na kailangan ng nasa ibabaw. And then, i-cover lang natin ito ng cling wrap or damp towel. Then, i-leave lang natin to for 1 hour hanggang sa mag-double in size. Ayan, after 1 hour, nag-double in size na yung ating dough. Tanggalin na natin yung cling wrap. And again, mag-dust lang tayo ng flour dito sa ating clean worktop. At i-transfer natin yung dough. And then, tanggalin nyo lang yung excess air by pressing it down. And using a dough cutter, hahatiin ko lang ito sa dalawa. Tabi muna natin yung isa. And then, i-flatten lang natin using our hands itong first half. And then, i-roll natin ito tightly. And then, i-pinch nyo lang yung dulo para mag-seal yung ating dough. And hahatiin ko muna ito sa 2 pieces. And then, hatiin ko sa 4. So, a total of 8 pieces. So, depende na rin sa size na gusto nyong gawin. And kuha lang tayo ng 1 piece at bibilugin natin ito. I-pinch nyo lang yung ilalim at i-roll nyo ito dito sa ating worktop para bumilog. Then, kuha lang tayo ng knife at gagatlaan natin ito ng 3. And then, transfer natin to dito sa ating tray lined with parchment paper. At continue lang natin yung procedure hanggang matapos natin lahat. Ito naman yung ating second piece. Same procedure. I-roll natin ito. At i-cut nyo lang according to your desired size. Ito na yung last piece. I-roll ko lang dito sa worktop. And again, using the knife, maglagay tayo ng 3 slits. And transfer uli natin dito sa ating tray. Nakagawa ako ng 16 pieces. So, cover lang natin ito ng cling wrap. And i-leave natin to for another 40 minutes to rise. Hanggang mag-double in size lang. After 40 minutes, ayan, nag-double in size na uli yung ating dough. Kuha lang tayo ng ating egg at brush. Iba-brush lang natin ito on top. At this point, mag-preheat na kayo ng oven sa 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And this one is ready for baking. Ibe-bake natin to for 12 to 15 minutes, depende sa size ng inyong bread. After 15 minutes sa oven, ito na ang ating Monay or putok. Ita-transfer lang natin to sa cooling rack before serving. And look how soft and fluffy ng ating bread. And there you have it, our Pinagong or Monay, and also known as Putok. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.